Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do Arctic research based puzzle in Rust to get a red card. So make sure to have nice equipment, nice set and clothes because there will be a lot of scientists and the PvP from the scientists will attract a lot of people. So let's get started. Find these two white and red buildings, run next to it and just swipe your blue keycard. Right here, you can swipe it too. And in the first one, it should be a snowmobile and fuel canister and a lot of crates. So make sure to check that. For now, I don't have any snowmobile, but it should be right here. And right here will be a fuel canister. And after that, we can go to the second one, where is our red keycard. So basically, you'll find right here the red key card in this room, and you'll find a lot of military crates right here too. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Peace.